Hey everyone, welcome back to an amazing track breakdown. Today we'll be breaking down the track YEDA YUNG by YUNG DSA. So without any further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. The tempo for this track has been set to 100 BPM. Beginning with the rhythm section, we've used claps, a kick, some congo, and tambourines. Hearing it all together. Moving ahead with the 808. The 808 melody goes like, and this is how it sounds along with the rhythm. Next is the melody section. The sitar has been used as the main element for the track. The intro sitar transitions into a new sitar pattern. So now we are done with the elements of the tracks. Let's hear the track and all with the vocals.
What's up my gang? Welcome to Hood. Pune chirip kar raha hai 100 road. Make a gang sign there and news review chid baju. Every young west the we love you all uttam hood. What's up my gang? Welcome to Hood. Pune chirip kar raha hai 100 road. Make a gang sign there and news review chid baju. Every young west the we love you all uttam hood. उड़ के मारूं के कॉल करे मेरे मेरे ढूल. देने की बात पहले रैप पर मकरू. मैं ओजिस के प्लेलिस्ट पे पहले से हूँ. तो जड़ा पहले चूड़े लोग की गिनती में तू. वो कले से जैसे बच्चा से यंग स्कूल. खाने तेरे सुन के मेरे को लगता दो फूल. तेरे जैसे चालों को गलती करूँ. तेरा बचपन प्रेम जैसे देख रहे रखूँ.